Hello everyone and welcome to this comparison between DaVinci Resolve versus CapCut. These two free video editors will be compared. We'll be taking a look at the features, what's available on the free plan, the pros and cons, and by the end you have solid reasons to choose the service that best fits your needs. We have the links to both services in the description so you can get a head start after this video. Now both DaVinci Resolve and CapCut offer powerful tools for video editing, including basic cutting, trimming, and adding effects, helping you transform your raw footage. Now DaVinci Resolve's free version is a full-fledged professional suite, offering robust tools for multi-tracking editing, advanced color grading, visual effects, and audio post-production. It includes features like keyframe animation, extensive format support, masking, tracking, green screen capabilities, and supports up to 4K at 60 frames per second. CapCut, on the other hand, is a user-friendly editor, especially popular for social media content. It offers multi-layer editing, keyframe animation, and a rich library of royalty-free music and effects. Its AI-powered tools include auto captions, background removal, video upscaling, and motion tracking, along with a vast array of other effects and templates. Now, here are the pros and cons of the free version. On the bright side, with DaVinci Resolve, it is completely free with professional-grade tools. It has an industry-leading color grading capability, and it is an all-in-one suite for editing, VFX, audio, and color features. On the flip side, with the cons, it has a steeper learning curve for beginners and can be resource intensive, requiring powerful hardware. It has limited AI features compared to the paid studio version. Now, CapCut also has its free plan, but it has its strengths and limitations. On the bright side, it is extremely user-friendly and intuitive. It is packed with trendy effects and templates for social media. It is accessible on mobile, desktop, and web. On the flip side, the free version will give you watermarks on exported videos unless it's shared on TikTok. It lacks advanced professional editing depth, and some desirable assets are locked behind a pro subscription. In conclusion, both DaVinci Resolve and CapCut offer fantastic free video editing experiences catering to different users' needs. DaVinci Resolve's free version is an unparalleled choice for aspiring professionals, filmmakers, and serious content creators who want access to a powerful, feature-rich suite for high-quality productions, especially if color grading and advanced post-production are a focus. CapCut's free plan is perfect for social media enthusiasts, casual creators, and anyone needing a quick, easy, and trendy editor for short-form content across multiple devices. So don't forget to check out the links to both DaVinci Resolve and CapCut in the description below so you can explore these services and choose what best suits your needs. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.